You all know that since YouTube introduced these 3 minute shots of a thing, that a lot of things has been on the platform, including the revenue sharing for shorts creators. And initially, shorts used to be just normal short, and you just create a short, even if it's just 2 seconds video, you post it on YouTube, and it is regarded as short, and you'll still earn from it. But along the line, YouTube introduced a 3 minute short video and also made some necessary changes on their revenue sharing. But recently, they brought out another updates which you all need to know. It's for both creators that are monetized and creators that are not monetized, because if you are not monetized, you actually need this information, because if you are creating short content and you are creating it blindly without knowing what the rules and regulations are or how the revenues on it are going to come, then you are going to miss out later. Then if you're monetized, you also need this one because it's very important, especially for those creators that are creating shorts. Okay, because this is very, very important to you guys. Now, this is what YouTube said. YouTube said they are going to make a lot of changes on the revenue that they are giving to people who are creating shorts. They said that for some short, there are videos that you create on your short videos and automatically be rejected for revenue sharing. One is that they said if you're using automated views to push out your short, like some people normally inflate their views using bots or all of these automated stuffs. YouTube said that you're not going to earn if the system detects that you're using bots to inflate your views. It also said that all the shots that are created from other people's videos, like clipping them one after the other, there are some creators that used to compile a lot of video clips into shorts and they will post it, and which is not their original content, or they are not the major creators of this particular videos. So YouTube said that if you are clipping people's content like that, you are not going to be paid by it, and that is that for them. So if you're a short creator and you're majorly doing video compilation or clips of games, because I used to see that a lot, games, cartoons for kids, and this is not your original content, YouTube said it's not going to pay you. They're out for content like this, okay, content that are not original and inauthentic. So if you're a short creator, you should also take note of this. Do not compile videos and post as a short video, because you're not going to earn from it. Another thing that YouTube made mention of is blocked content or ineligible content. They said that even if your video clip is up to 1 minute long, but it contains blocked content or ineligible content, that is not going to be monetized. You're not going to earn from it. So in case you're a short creator, please look out for the eligibility. In any video that you're posting, please make sure that it follows the rule of eligibility, so that you'll not be wasting your time with them, because it takes a lot. Even short videos takes a lot for you to come up with them and make them as short videos. Okay, so please make sure you're not doing the wrong thing, so that you'll be able to earn. So after all of those things, they went ahead to talk about how they are going to be sharing this revenue with short creators. So YouTube said that if you create a short video and you did not add any sound to it, you use your original voice, your original sound, that you're going to earn all the money in it. Okay, the revenue sharing that you're getting is going to be yours and yours alone. But if you create that short and you added someone's music, like you normally do, example like on TikTok, okay, it's the same thing is applicable on YouTube Shorts. So if you add someone's music, then you're going to split that money with the creator of that music. Okay, so and again, they went ahead to say that if that particular short is bearing like up to 45 or 5 music clip, that you're going to be sharing that particular money that you earn from your short revenue with the 5 creators of that music. So you see, it doesn't make sense, because I know that short money, that revenue sharing that is coming from short, is always small. So imagine sharing your money with another person, because just because you added the person's music. So it's better to use your voice and your original voice. So and YouTube went on to say that if you are not monetized and you're creating shorts, all the ads that are being displayed in the short feed when people scroll through your videos or your shorts, that is not going to go to you, that is going to be added to the YouTube creator pool or whatsoever. So it's only monetized accounts that are still going to be earning from shorts, okay, no matter how they are earning it. It's only monetized account. So this information is majorly for monetized accounts, but also people who are not monetized, that they can earn, but only when they are monetized. Okay, so if you're a short creator, you are just creating for creating sake until you are monetized, then you'll be start earning money from your short revenue or your short videos. And that is that. And to crown it, or YouTube said that for those premium subscribers, which are people who are using YouTube Premium, because YouTube don't show ads to them. Okay, so any amount that YouTube generates from those people, YouTube is going to give you as a creator 45% of it. So that means you're still earning from people who don't see ads on YouTube. And To summarize it, I'm going to tell you, if you're a short creator, please, you know that money from shorts are not always big. Please do not make the mistake of using artificial means to inflate your views. Do not share ineligible content. Make sure you're sharing contents that are yours and yours alone. And please stop all the video compilations, because it's not going to give you money except you're doing it for fun. Okay. But I know that even if you're doing it for fun, you still like be happy if you're getting paid from something that you enjoy doing. So please make sure you're doing the right thing so that YouTube will be happy with you and you'll be happy with YouTube at last. And thank you for watching this video up to this very moment. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you subscribe and also like this video if you find it very informative, and drop a comment in the comment section. If you have any further questions to ask me, please do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you, and see you in my next video. Bye.